Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash, and today I'm just doing some miscellaneous things around the house. I have this Flexzilla hose behind me, if you can see it there, that I was going to throw away. But I was at a hardware store and I came upon these Flexzilla hose ends, so I'm going to give them a shot and see how they hold up. I'll show you what I'm working on here. All right, here's a Flexzilla hose. This is the Flexzilla 5/8. And I picked up this little deal here from Home Depot. I don't like everything from Home Depot, especially this thing, but this thing leaks like crazy. So I couldn't find something that was going to work well on here, but I came across this. And this is the Flexzilla Pro. And it's 5/8, so we're gonna see how this works on this hose. Maybe it'll stop leaking. All right, let's get this end cut off here. I thought I had a hose cutter, but it's actually in the flatbed truck. So we're gonna use this new Milwaukee knife that I just picked up. It's kind of cool, actually. Has a screwdriver right in there. It's real handy. All right, let's get this thing cut off. Ah, it cuts nice too. Look at that. All right. All right, here we are in the Flexzilla. Get this thing opened up. Looks like it's going to be fairly easy. Alrighty. Let's see here. I didn't prep this video, so I didn't look at the instructions, but it looks pretty easy. So that slides in. Keep the big end on the outside. This goes in here. It's actually a nice fit. Let's see. Make sure that fits in there good. So let's unscrew this. That might help. Alrighty, so got to unscrew that part. Probably should have looked at the instructions. Just move that piece on there really good. Alright. Then what we're going to do is just tighten this up. I'm going to stop the video real quick and grab some crescent wrenches, pliers, and just tighten this down real quick, and then we'll go plug it into the hose and see how it works. But it looks like a pretty clean end compared to what was on there before. So I'll tighten this down and we'll come back and hook it up, see if it leaks. All right, got the end on there. We're gonna plug it into the water here and see if it leaks. We'll just hand tighten it. Really good here. Turn it on. I think we have a winner. Looks like the Flexzilla ends work out pretty well. All right, here's a little tip for you guys if you're looking to repair your 5/8. Hopefully they have a 3/4, because that's what we run on the trucks, but I'll have to look that up later. All right, guys, have a great day.